Today's topic is finding the groups of strictly increasing the numbers in a list. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. First method is a basic approach. Second is by using an iterative tools and the yield method. And the second is to use a yield. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to create a function named group sequence in which we are going to pass our list. After that we are storing the first element of our list in the list 1. After doing that we are going to use a for loop which is going to go through each and every element in our list in the range of from first to the length of the list. We have set a condition that if the length of the list, which is I minus 1 plus 1, should be equal to the length, should be equal to the list of an I. This condition sets that we are comparing the previous element of the list by adding a plus 1 with the next element of the list. If the both are tends to be the same, then we are storing that value in our list 1. Else we are only storing this value by creating a new group of that element, and after that we are returning our list. As you can see it over here, our list 2 which we are going to pass in the function, it comprises of three groups, which is 1 3 4 7 8 9 0 and a 45, and we get an output of 1 2 3 4, which is having a one group, 7 8 9 second 0, and then 4 into the 5.